Hey everybody, it's TMC from Combined Arms. Just a little gameplay here for you. We were playing with Zulu Airsoft here this last weekend out at Fields of Fire in Mystic. We're coming up here down this trail, getting ready to find a couple guys doing a little patrol. Just me and one other guy. We had the rest of our squad was way out to our left and way out to our right, kind of spread out trying to do a little three-pronged attack against this fire base. We were really just going up to give them a little distraction for the other group of guys to move in behind them, and we wound up taking out a pretty good portion of their team. You'll see later in the video here, once we take over the fire base, they launch a counterattack against us, and we hold it down pretty good. It was a great day of gaming out there. It was probably about 30 people or so by the end of the day, and I was rocking the GMP Stoner 63 things. It was pretty ridiculous. So hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe up there to the top. Make sure you check out our Facebook page.
They're still too far out. Hold your fire on them. Up, 2, 3. Got 3 moving left to right, right to left. Don't shoot, no. Too far out, man. You gotta let them get out close. still see them. They're gonna camp over there now. He's signaling. There's one to our right. He's signaling somebody to the right. Watch to your right. He's signaling over to our right. See him? See him moving across? Two more. Two more. See him? There's at least 4 right now. Alright, they're moving up. Hold your fire on them. Let them get in a little closer and we'll fucking light them up. Alright, we can light him up probably. Ready? Go! Eventually he'll call his hit. Watch to the front. Dude, really, you're sticking out from the tree, bro. Yep. That's our guy over to the left there. Over here to this, to our immediate left, yeah.